Very good morning, students. I hope you all have understood the basic concept of using paragraph tags and heading tags, and also you all have performed the practical work successfully. In today's lecture, I'm going to explain about using both heading and paragraph tags simultaneously in a single web page by considering two examples. Let us talk about example 1, in which we need to write an HTML code for a web page whose title is My Web Page. Main heading is understanding computer applications, and the other content, that is class name, roll number, school, must be in separate lines. Therefore, before moving to the whole HTML code, let us find out the syntax for these points of the question. Firstly, title My Web Page can be written by using the title tag, which can be enclosed in head tag. Secondly, the main heading can be enclosed in one of the levels of heading tags, but this is the main heading of the web page. Therefore, the heading tag, which is the most important one, can be used here, that is H1. Thirdly, the complete data about class, name, roll number, school must be written in different lines on the web page. So we can use here the paragraph tags. Now let me show you the complete notepad file of HTML code. Here you can easily compare your prepared syntax with the code on the screen about the title, main heading, and the content of the body of the web page. Let us now check the resultant file using a web browser, Internet Explorer. Students, you can use other web browsers also, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, as per your convenience. Here in the web browser, title you can see at the top. To the left of it, where d colon /HTML /head plus para.html is written, shows the path of the file where it is saved. My file named para plus head.html is saved in the folder HTML in drive D. The content of web page can be understood to you as per the syntax we have used. All the data are in separate lines along with the main heading, which is highlighted and distinct. Moving on to the example 2, in which we need to write an HTML code for a web page whose title is Computer Translators. The main heading is Translators along with the content shown in the figure on the screen. Therefore, before moving to the complete HTML code, let us find out the syntax of all 3 points of the question as done in previous example. Firstly, again, the title Computer Translators can be written by usage of title tag that can be enclosed in head tag. Secondly, the main heading can be enclosed in one of the levels of heading tag, as it is the main heading of the web page. So therefore we need to use most important heading tag here, that is H1. Thirdly, as per the image on your screen, first 3 lines include compiler, assembler, interpreter, which must be highlighted and written in separate lines. So here we can use one of the heading tag that can be H3, H4, H5, H6, whose size is smaller as per the demand of the question. Next is the subheadings and small description of subheadings. That is, compiler is a subheading whose description is a paragraph. So for compiler, assembler, interpreter, we can use H2 heading tag, and the description of these can be enclosed in separate paragraphs. Now let me show you the complete notepad file of HTML code. Here you can check out the syntax of each and every statement which is required for a web page. You can easily check out the title, the heading, the main heading, the subheadings, and the description, how we have used the different tags for the different headings and descriptive formations. Now let me show you the resultant file using a web browser, Internet Explorer. So here is a web page whose title is Computer Translators, and that satisfies the conditions specified in the question. Okay, whose title is Computer Translators. The main heading is the translators, and the subheadings and the complete description, that is completely similar to that of the question demand. It is completely fulfilling the question's demand. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you so much.